Welcome to Just My Academy Classy Monday. Welcome to #Classy Monday. As I promised, today I will be taking part 2 of trigonometry, right? So, we are going to start the part 2 in just a second. Okay. So what will be there in the part 2? I am going to say you. Today I will teach you table. What table? Array, don't you remember? There used to be one table which we were very afraid of. Like here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 7. Okay. So here there were angles and the symbols. You will have 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree. Sorry, my file is very bad. 60 degree and 90 degree. It's 90 degree. Mahi, it's not 96. What are you doing? Yeah. Sin theta, then cos theta, then tan theta, and then it continues. Do you remember? And here we have some symbol like 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1, 1, root 3 by 2, and then 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0, 0, 1 by root 3, 1 root 3, infinity, and what no, just like this. So we were by till now we were like we have to mug up this table. We have to remember each and every what to say angles, numbers, and all those stuff. But what if I say this 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, or 1 by root 2, or 1 by 2, or 0, or 1, whatever it may be? Now it will be an easy task for you to remember by logically, not by mugging up. Yes, seriously I'm saying. Chalo, I'll explain you how all these come. So you need to do one thing. Take a blank paper in your book, okay? Draw the table, draw it everything, okay? 6 here, 1 7 here, and here must be 6. So draw this table and keep ready in your notebook. So as I say, you keep writing down in your notebook and you will write down your what to say values. So I will write down this table at the end, okay? This table clearly I will write down at the end after explaining how all these values are coming. Fine. So let me get started. Okay. Now let me say you with an triangle, because this is the most easiest method to explain you. Fine. A triangle has how many degrees? 180 degree, right? This is 90 degrees. So this is 45 degree and this is 45 degree. So this straight line will be my 90 degree, right? So it becomes 180 degree. You have learned Pythagoras formula, right? That is hypotenuse is equals to perpendicular. Hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. That is nothing but when we learned our first triangle, go to a part 1. There we have learned something called opposite plus adjacent, right? Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite plus adjacent square. That's all. This will be your formula, right? Now let this part be x. So this is hypotenuse, this is what? X, perpendicular, right? 45 degree, this is perpendicular, this is adjacent, this is perpendicular, that is my opposite, and this is my adjacent, and this is my hypotenuse. Fine. I know this is very scribbly. I will try to make it a clear picture though. Okay. So what you have to do here, you will take this as x and this also x. So h square is equals to, my o square is obviously x square, my a square is also x square. So you will have what? 2x square. Now you need only hypotenuse, right? You don't know square. So what you will do? You will do the square root on both sides. H square is equals to root 2 root x square. Here you have to do root for both separately. Okay, not at a time. Now h square cancels, so h is equals to this root 2 we can't get cancelled, so root 2 will be as it is, x root 2 will be, so x. So your hypotenuse is equals to x. You can write it as x root 2 for a better clarity, because x don't have any root, right? So x root 2. Understood? Now keep this in mind. I am turning the page. What we wrote? H is equals to x root 2. What was our O? O was our x. What was our A? A also was our x from our previous diagram. Okay. Now come to the first. For this you need to see first part, then only you will understand. First when I taught you that you remember O A O by H H A. Sorry. H H A. What was that? Oranges, all are oranges, but he ate an apple. So sign will be O by H, right? O by H. So here what is my O? X. H. X by root 2. So x cancel. 1 by root 2. This is for my 90 degree, because I drawed an angle, right? I said this is my 90 degree. This is 45. This is 45. Right? So I am searching it for 90 degree, because on 90 degree only, no, I will be having this what to say, sorry, this is for not 90, this is not for 90 degree, this is 45 degree opposite. So this is my opposite, this is my adjacent, this is my opposite. So I am searching here for 45 degree. If you do here also, it will be same. So I got my sine theta for 45 degree, which is my 1 by root 2. Now go to that table which you have drawn in your paper. There you might have written 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. In that 45 is straight to sine, write it as 1 by root 2. Okay. After writing, now come to cos. So cos will be a by h, right? What is my x? H again, x by root 2. Again the same thing, 1 by root 2. Right? Same. Now what will be my tan? O by a. What is my O? X. What is my a? X. So is equals to 1. So my tan 45 degree will be 1. Did you understand the logic? I hope it is damn clear now how these values are coming. Okay. So I will go next. Like this only you have to do for your cot, sec and cosec. Whereas I will show you that trick at end, how to remember and all this. But now do this and do this part and this part and enter in this table. Okay. So get ready for second. Second, we are going to do for we will do for 30 degree. Okay. Second, we are going to do for 30 degree. For this, we will take an equilateral triangle. Equilateral means all the three sides will be equal. So I will draw a middle line. Obviously, this is, So here will be 60 degree. Here 60 degree. So middle is obviously 90 degree. So then only it will be 180 degree as a whole. Right? So when this is 90 degree, so this part alone will be my one triangle, this part alone will be my one triangle. So this fully will be 60 degree. When divided it will become 30 degree. Sorry. Yeah. 30 degree. Now with this one single triangle I will be able to do 30 degree as well as 60 degree. This is very simple. Okay. Same, we will take the triangle again. I am saying you for this. Now we will take a triangle again. Okay, so this is my triangle. This is too much. Yeah, 90 degree, 30 degree and 60 degree as usual. So there are certain things you have to assume. This is hypotenuse, this is adjacent, and this is opposite. So we will name it as A, B, and no space. Okay, C. Okay. So what I am doing here, will assume certain things this to be as 2A. Why 2A? Because here, see, this is A, this is A. We had another one triangle like this, right? Which we cut down. So here also one A will be there. Here also one A will be there. So this A and this A, when you fold this triangle, this becomes 2A, right? So for that we have to do this. Okay? Yeah. For that we will do this. Then here also 2A must come now. No. Because this is one single line. One single line is actually A. It's just an assumption, by the way. It's not much complicated. Just assume it. Okay? So we don't know what is this part. That is BC part. So we will calculate here. I have our normal Pythagoras theorem, x square is equals to O square plus A square. My hypotenuse is 2A square. O square is, don't know, that will be BC square plus A square is normally A square. Right? So 2A square, when you square it out, it will become 4A. 4A square, because this will be 2A the whole square. Okay, 4A square is equals to BC square is plus A square. This is plus. And when this plus comes here, it becomes minus. So 4A square minus A square is equals to BC square. This becomes 3A square is equals to BC square. Fine. Now to remove this square, what we will do, root on both sides. Root 3 root A square is equals to BC square. That is root of BC square cancel. Square cancel. 3 can't cancel. So root 3A is equals to BC. To be more precise, A root 3 will be my BC. That is my 30 degree. My 30 degree will be A root 3. Understood? Yes or no? Okay. I'm clearing this page. I'm going to next one. So I got my OC. Oh, sorry. It's not OC. Yeah. It's BC is equals to root A root 3. Now we will apply this BC A root 3. What is my H? H is my 2A, right? What is my A? A is normally A. Now we will apply in my sin theta and all. Sin theta is equals to obviously O by H. Remember that mantra? Oranges, all are oranges, but he eat an apple. So O by H. What is my O? O here is this one, right? A root 3. H is 2A. A cancel. Root 3 by 2. So this you will add in your table. Go to your table. 30 degree sin opposite 30 degree will be there. You will be writing it as, yeah, you must get a doubt here. Like when I did a diagram, okay, this was my diagram and I was finding here 30 degree. So this becomes my opposite. This is obviously hypotenuse. That is no doubt. Right? So this becomes my adjacent. Now angles here will change. So O by A. So my O here. So this answer is wrong answer. Okay. O here will be my nothing but of this part. That is my A divided by hypotenuse is normally A root 3. Hypotenuse is not A root 3. Hypotenuse is 2A, man. What are you doing? Yeah, 2A. So A cancel and 1 by root 2 will be there. This is the correct answer which is go in the table. So Don't be in a hurry to do this part, okay? So if you do that, you will get this wrong answer. So sad. This will come for cos, not for sine. So like this only you have to do for cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot also. Okay? Will you do it? So I am going for the next degree. With the same diagram, keeping in mind, now I have to find out my 60 degree. When doing the 60 degree, this will be my opposite, this will be my adjacent, this will be my hypotenuse. Now what I did now for the before sum, see, wait, I will explain you. This part, this will be correct. Okay. Now what I did here for 60 degree, that will be correct. So sine theta, which is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. My opposite is nothing but good a root 3. My hypotenuse is what? 2a. So 2a. So this will cancel root 3 by 2. This will go in that table again in front of 60 degree. In front of sine. Understood? Good. So next will be cos, then tan. You have to do it. So this is logically you are doing it. Okay. Finished. I finished 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. So these three have, it's over. Now let's go to 0 degree and 90 degree. I'll do it in one space. It's 90 degree. Why are you always writing 96? Because this pen is writing like that. Okay, 90 degree. So this, let me explain you with a diagram, as this diagram alone is enough. Yeah. So this is the angle. Normally we say this is 90 degree. Right. Here we will have some angle called 40 degree something. Now I want to make this a 0 degree. What will I do? This will shrink. Keep shrinking. And it will be vanished. It will become like this. There will be no. So this is direct. There is an angle here which is of 90 degree. But here there is no angle. This is 0 degree angle. So this line will be there. But this, no, this will come here. This will sleep off to this. That will become parallel. Not parallel. It will mix with this AB line. Okay. This is there. CB, BC, whatever line you say, that will be there. So now here when you do, you don't even have an hypotenuse. Do you? No. So my opposite, okay, what happens here? Okay, my base, that is my opposite, will be opposite, hypotenuse and adjacent. Okay, my opposite will become 0. Then my adjacent will become AB. This is my adjacent, right? AB. And hypotenuse will become AC. AC, yeah, there is an invisible line. AC, but your hypotenuse and your adjacent, now there is nothing, it will be 1. Because there is, you don't have this hypotenuse line itself, right? This has been shrunk to AB. So it will become your 1. Then you have to put it in your sine is equals to O by H. What is my O? O is 0 by H is nothing but 1. So anything 0 by 1 is equals to 0. That's all. And you will do for cos, tan and all those stuff. Fine. 90 degree. Similar. Very, very similar actually. Okay. Now this is my 90 degree. Now I want this to be 90 degree. So this will again shrink. And so this will shrink and become my your A will not be there. This was your A, B, C, which was used to be. Now the A will be shrinking and becoming one line. B is there, C is there. In the B point only, A will also come. So here opposites, everything will become opposite. The perpendicular, that is your opposite signal, will be my CB, right? CB, that will be my 1, right? Hypotenuse, there was to be hypotenuse, but there is no hypotenuse because it has become 1. So this and hypotenuse are same. So this hypotenuse is also 1. B, there is no line here. That is my adjacent. There is no adjacent, so that becomes 0. And go sine theta again. What it is? O by H. Superb, yeah. Now you remember. Good. So what is my O? O. Opposite. Opposite is 1. H 1. So 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. Same like that you have to do for cos, tan, and that's it. Now it's a time for me to write the table for you people. Okay. So I think you understood 0 degree and 90 degree as well. So table time. Yay. Oh, you, this line. I don't think I will be able to write it everything. Okay, we'll try. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Wow, yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Super. I can do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Please ignore the lines. I know they are horrible. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree. I hope you have done already this in your notebook, which is ready. And I'm filling the table now because I don't have. Oh, there is an extra space. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only I have done, I guess. Correct, right? Okay, fine. Sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, and cosec. So as I said you earlier, tan ulta, that is tan opposite cot, cos opposite sec, and sine opposite is cosec. So this becomes much more easier. As we did before, for 0 degree it is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2. You have done C already. With that you will fill up this table. Root 3 by 2, and this becomes 1. So here one trick. Okay. Sine 90 degree will be equal to cos 0 degree. So this becomes 1. Sine 60 degree will be equal to cos 30 degree. So this becomes my root 3 by 2. This is same. This is again ulta 1 by 2, and this becomes my 0. Fine. Tan you will get 0. 1 by root 3. 1 root 3 and infinity. Infinity comes when there is something which you cannot divide with. Okay. So that time infinity comes. Okay. Again infinity root 3 is opposite. See. 1 by root 3 0. Opposite. 1 2 root 3 root 2 2 infinity 2 root 2 2 by root 3 and 1. That's it. You can do like this and this ulta. 90 degree will become 1, 0 degree will become. So you basically have to remember only sign. You know the logic. You do this. If you don't have time during exam, just remember this first line alone, and next you will just follow. There is no problem at all. Okay. Just do this. Okay. Yes. So tan is what I said, 90. When you start writing your table, just you remember this first line, and if you won't remember, you remember, or else use the logic and fill up the first line. Then cos is, I said you as usual, 90 degree will be a 0 degree. So this all becomes opposite. And for tan formula, it can be written like this also: sine upon cos. So you know sine, you know cos, just do it. 0 upon 1 will be 0, this upon this, so you will get 1 by root 3 s. Yeah. Oh, sorry, this I have written some root 3 by 2. Okay. Yeah, 1 by root 3 will get this upon this, you will get 1. This upon this, you will get root 3. This upon this. 1 upon 0. You cannot divide any number by 0, right? Which it becomes an infinity. So that is the why it is. Now you got all these 3 table. Now what is more to do? This reverse is cot, cos reverse is sec, sine reverse is cos, and your table is completed and your trigonometry is over. Yes, you heard right. It's over, guys. It's just, that's all. You were afraid of this? Seriously, I hope I was such a small. I mean, I had I was also shocked while learning about these things. I wish I would have learned it earlier. And for your information, that this whatever I have taught you is an extract of somebody else teaching. Okay, this is not my own findings. It's an extract of somebody else teaching. So yes, I thank to that person who have taught this. It was very helpful, and I hope you also felt it to be helpful. Please write it in the comment section below what more difficult chapters are there, what you need video of. Share this with your friends, guys. I'm seeing nobody is sharing it. Please share it with your friends so it could be a greater help. Chalo, now I'm leaving you. Bye.